Frankie, come. Come. Yeah, good girl, Frankie. Good girl, Frank. You excited? She was literally at the back door, dude. It's so cold. She hates being outside in the cold. Come on, girl. Let's go inside. Yeah, check it out. I even got your bed. It's okay. I cleaned in here. You can do whatever you want now, all right? It's your place. I'm excited to see how today goes. I've always told you guys that I really wanted a dog and I really wanted a shop dog. I don't mean like dirty. I just mean like she hangs out with me here in the warehouse. It would have been sick because I could have kind of like quarantined off the little hangout spot. Out here, there's a little bit less room. So I brought her bed. I'm gonna see what she does today. All right, so check this out. When I installed the hood, I showed you guys that there's like those little screw pins on the hood latches. Apparently you don't actually need those. So I was putting them in and out every time I took the hood on and off, but apparently those are just for the install purpose because after that, the way it hinges, like look at this. It'll never pull on or off unless you get it all the way up to the point where it unlatches right about here. That's the only way it's coming off. Other than that, it's hooked in there, which is super cool because I thought it was easy how all you had to do is unscrew those pins, but you don't even need to unscrew them, dude. You just leave them out. Anyways, after our last video, a lot of you guys were saying to run the intercooler piping a different way. A lot of you guys had a couple different things that we're actually gonna look at doing, but something that I was curious about, I was telling you I was worried about where these shifter cables are gonna go back towards the car, because I would hate to install all the piping and everything and then you go to like put the shifter cables in and nothing works, nothing connects. So I ordered all the parts up at the end of the last video that I told you I was gonna need, and while I'm waiting for those to show up, today I want to install the holy grail, the dream shifter that everybody always talks about, everybody always says you need. Damn, dude, every time I look at this thing, it's just so beautiful. So you guys should have seen most of this in the big K-Tuned unboxing we did when we got all these parts. The only thing that should be new to you guys is this. So these are the K-Tuned RSK Shifter cable. These were like the one thing that I was missing. These connect up to the actual shifter and then they connect to the linkage that's on the transmission. And these are what I was worried about getting in the way of. So I just recently got these guys and then everything else you guys should have already seen. But in case you haven't, we have the K-Tuned RSK Shifter. This thing is freaking beautiful. We got the shifter plate. We got all the screws, hardware, all that kind of stuff. This is part of the shifter. I don't know what it's doing over here. This guy sits like so. And we got a K-Tuned shift knob, dude. This thing, super clean. I feel like every time you go to install a car part, there's like little tweaks or little mods or little things you have to do to the car that you never expect to have to do. And my main concern laid with this piece because I knew that there's like that little ridge and I'm like, I don't know how much to cut. I don't know where this is gonna mount to. I don't know if I'm gonna have to cut farther back or farther forwards. I don't wanna have the shifter cables in the wrong place. And unlike most mods that I install, I watched a video on this and it was just too easy. Dude, this thing has a cutout go over top of that little thing. And then it's got holes to bolt to where the other one bolted to. Like I know maybe I'm just like blabbing about it, but like dude, I don't know. I just can't wrap my head around how some people just don't give a shit about car parts. Like so many times I'm installing something and I'm like, no one thought this through. Like literally no thought process went into this. And every K-Tuned part I've had so far, thought process went into it and it just gets me so pumped. So yeah, this definitely cut out a lot of time out of what we're gonna have to do today. I'm also pumped because like this is my storage because I don't have a better solution at this house yet. And if I had to cut, I would have had to take everything out of here and that would have sucked. All right, this actually works out really nicely for us because I already have everything in here completely taken apart. Start with this guy. Put this down. Sweet. Thankfully, I have everything already out of here. Just literally cut the video time in half with me having to take the whole interior apart. Okay, so this is interesting. I don't know if this is what it was meant to do, but I was just, hey, I'm sorry, dude. You can't come in here. You're gonna chew everything. Go have a nap or something. Bruh, don't tell me she's actually gonna have a nap. Oh my god. Have a nap, Frank. She literally blows my mind all the time. Like, how does she understand me? Anyway, so I only have these two rear holes. So I'm looking at it and I'm like, I'm gonna have to drill this out because there's no way if we're shifting that it's good that there's only, you know, support in the rear of this. So these fit this and they fit the actual threads. Obviously they're the same, right? So we got two in the threads here and then we got one to go in each corner to hold the actual shifter. Boom, cakewalk. And then I noticed that these two are different and they have nuts, dude. Come on, look at this. I would say that that's meant to be drilled right through the ground and put a nut on the other side of it. And then you got four points. You gotta love it, dude. You just gotta love it. Okay, so we're gonna hit this with the old paint pen technique. gonna wait till I have somebody else out here with me, and then I could just get them to sit in here, hold this. I'll go underneath, bolt that up. This guy should just basically, at this point, just drop right in. He should essentially just go right there. Yeah, boys, look at this thing. This is so dope. So this guy's in. We won't do anything else here. We need to figure out where these cables go. So the real issue here is we're converting this from like a linkage transmission to a cable transmission. Ideally, we don't drill too many holes in the floor. There's a hole there. Where do you go to, my friend? Get out of there. Oh, there it goes. Oh, dude, it goes nowhere. Look at that. That hole, oh my God, dude, that couldn't be more perfect. That hole comes down right here. We can go bring it under and then straight up to the transmission. Oh my God. We could obviously make it a little bit bigger. It's better than making our own hole. Pull one end, it moves the other end. And that is how our shifter is gonna work. All right, we got my medium shittiness hole in the bottom. Cleaned it up as much as I could. I didn't want to spend a million hours on it in case it doesn't work right. So let's feed this guy up through here. Oh my God, we're gonna have to feed like all of it because it doesn't get jammed anymore. Get this guy down beside it with really no effort at all. Nice. All right, we're in, boys. We are frickin' in. Does this one look like it's gonna wanna go here? That one just went so easy. Going in the chute. Gonna leave this finger loose for now. So now, this does all like the shifting back and forth. This just does like the up and down, which lets you into like first, second, third, fourth, or fifth. So, to make sure we get this right, this is like your shifting, I think, and then this puts you down into first and second, and then up into fifth, or maybe it's the other way around. I don't know. This is not gonna reach that way, but if we do one of these. There's a bracket that holds these. Me not knowing anything, I would never have known that there was a bracket that holds these. So you can see like the holes right here and right here. I just gotta order up one of the brackets. That is no big deal. What is a big deal is that this actually looks pretty freaking clean. I'm actually really pleased with it. I'm gonna have to put some sort of something, I guess the bracket will hold, but I'm gonna put something else probably just down here to make sure that they don't slip anywhere near like the axles or anything. Dude, that's sick. I'm hoping that's what these pins were for. I got these pins shoved in here. It came with pins and it came with these. I'm assuming these are new clips that would clip right here and clip it into the bracket, but I don't have the bracket. There's three. I actually think one of these goes inside the car. This one definitely gets that other clip that I had. Boom. Definitely feels like there's some weirdness happening. You know what's probably happening? Is I'm moving it and these are moving instead of staying put because they're not in their little bracket. Yeah, look at that. It's never gonna shift from inside if it just does this all day. Look at this thing. Oh my God. It's literally so bright. The camera's like, nah. All right, so we got the shift knob on. Dude, this thing is fire. I have it right now just like fully extended because I feel like it's gonna be kind of sick to have it up this high. Then I have it just like, you can see it's just a little bit towards me. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I don't know if I'm gonna want it farther back. I feel like a little bit towards you is kind of cool. That is an absolute unit. I don't know why. I just feel like it's like a little piece of art, dude. It looks fire. And then if I just leave the rest of the interior like mainly stock, I think it's gonna look so good. Look at me. I'm not even shifting gears because I don't have my frickin' piece. There's always a piece that we don't have. All right, so this is awesome because now once we get the turbo coupler that we ordered, because we showed you guys when we did it, like there's no coupler that goes onto the actual turbo to the intercooler piping, so I can't even do anything with it. Once we get that coupling, we can go ahead and start running the intercooler piping. I'm pretty sure it's gonna have to do the higher motion because this is gonna sit at least, I would say, right about there. And of course, like always, I'll leave a link to K-Tune's website down below because if you guys need anything, like even just these shifter cables, like the quality is just yum. So anyways, aside from that,
yo, what up?
Nothing, buddy. I just finished doing that shifter. It's all done.
How sick is it?
It's intense, dude. It's sick. It's a beast.
Oh, I'm off work.
You're off right now?
I'm ready to get people for this thing if it happens. We'll have to see.
I didn't realize what time it was right now, to be honest. I haven't looked at my phone really. And then you called and I realized we don't have a whole lot of time. So I was gonna keep scooting on this thing, but maybe I'll just get my together and then I'll come snag you and then we can go.
Yeah, okay.
All right, well, today's video was very quick and short, but it was extremely good at the same time. Well, I don't know if the video was good, but what we did was good. Me and Chris have some official business to do today. I hope you guys like the shifter install. I'll leave links to all this stuff down below for you guys to check out. But just know that I ordered all those parts from the list last time, and I could have just waited till tomorrow and probably filmed the whole video because they'll probably show up later tonight. We got this thing in. I got all those parts coming. Dude, we're like really close to getting this thing going. Like, we're so close. So I hope you guys are pumped. Hope you guys enjoyed today's quick video. I will catch you guys next time. Peace out and stay committed. right, welcome to the after show. You guys didn't think I was gonna leave you guys with no sneak peeks, did you? It's just no way. No, damn it. I thought that was gonna go away. You guys are following me on Instagram. I got my truck stuck in like 1.5 feet of snow yesterday. It was very, very close to needing a legit tow truck. Like, I was gonna call Chris, but I'm like, this is pointless because Chris can't even help me. And I got it out, but something about flooring it in reverse in 4-wheel drive set my engine light off. That and the fact that there's ice built up in my rim from all the snow. Like, I ain't even joking. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. Look at all this ice just built up in here because it was covered in snow yesterday and then all just froze. So I'm hoping that doesn't make for too rough of a ride today. I don't really know what to say. Let's go check it out. The ice is terrible. Look at this wheel. If you get a little faster, the wheel straightens out. But boy, do my titties start to bounce. It's not good. Hey, buddy. Some of it was coming out.
It was like warming up?
Yeah, oh nice, we might not even need it. But like, check this out, dude. The whole rim just had like ice. It was so bad. Nice, okay, I think that's good. Hi, back up. You gotta let me out, bro. You gotta move. Hey, stay down. This tire is like flat.com. It has honestly got a lot of potential. Should we get on the road before we discuss with the peeps?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, our boxes of we can't buy it if were ticked.
Yeah.
We have a couple full projects. We're just looking for a little spice.
Yeah, exactly.
So we need something that's a spice.
Super cool car though. I know for a fact though, that could be real. Like, after looking at that, I know for a fact that's a sick car to bring to the channel.
Yeah, 100%.
But we gotta find the one.